Hi guys, good morning to everyone. I'm quite busy sa ngayon pero naalala ko yung sinabi ni Mami na mansari pala ng mga adik ngayon. So I just want to say hello sa lahat-lahat. And I wish that the sun will always shine for you guys and that your world will always be bright and warm and beautiful. And thank you for being true friends sa aking minamahal na walang iba kundi si Linda. So guys, I wish the wonder of life's sweetest moment for you, with hours full of happiness and days when everything goes the best it can. I wish a million great beginnings for you guys, with a perfect parade of your dreams came true and happy endings always. So I'm hoping this 2013 guys na makamit nyo lahat yung mga pinapangarap nyo sa buhay. And I wish with all my heart for your greatest happiness guys, and I wish you nothing but the brilliant and vibrant colors of the rainbow in life's brightest days. So because lalahin natin lagi mga kapatid na because the sun should always shine for you guys. So kung ano man yung mga trials na pinagdadaanan natin, I believe that God will always be there for us. So at this moment, I don't know what to say guys, pero I really thank you dahil kung wala kayo, I mean malaki yung counterpart nyo sa relasyon na meron kami ni Mami ngayon, dahil kung minsan hindi naman lahat sa inyo is always there for us kung nasa hindi magandang sitwasyon kami. So especially to you France, dudes, kay Relen, kay Shane, kay Marsh, lahat ng mga friends ni Mami, mga kapwa-admin niya dyan sa adik. So I thank you guys kung lagi kayong andyan para kay Mami, lalo kung hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. So thank you. So wala na akong ibang masabi kundi kumayo kayo mga kaibigan, tunay na kaibigan, and magpakasaya, magpakababuti, and of course have faith lagi. Huwag kalimutan na ang Panginoon is lagi ka dyan for us, na kahit anong mga trials kayo mga struggles na pinagdaanan natin, ang Panginoon hindi niya tayo iiwan yan. Just have faith and tiwala lang sa Kanya. So guys, wala na akong ibang masabi ka kundi happy mansari sa bawat isa, and salamat sa patuloy na nandiyan kayo lagi. So I'm hoping and praying na hindi kayo magbabago sa aming dalawa ni Mami. Thanks for sharing your friendship, Adu. Then I wish you all the best happiness, and I wish you all the best blessings na kaloob ng Panginoon sa ating lahat. So it's time for me to say bye-bye and see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys. Love you, Mami. Happy Mansari. Malapit na rin ang Mansari natin. So I think it's a big party at malapit na rin tayo makita. Malapit na rin tayo umuwi. And I hope na all of you guys is happy sa amin dalawa. So wala na ako iba sabihin kundi bye and ingat kayo lagi. Keep safe.
Staying home when the night is calling. I got lots of friends, join me for a drink, but there's no one there who can stop falling, 'cause your love is like the missing link. Oh baby, I miss you miss you. Tears of desperation make me blind. Baby, I miss you, 'cause I left the good times way behind. Baby, I miss you, I wanna be with you. I won't miss a chance, looking for a new love, searching for the girls when the day is done. But I feel my heart's looking for